Hi student, myself Joshi sir. Today we are continuing the nomenclature of the alkene. In the last lecture we discussed the nomenclature of alkene from number of carbon 1, number of carbon 2 to number of carbon 6. Today we are going to discuss some examples and their IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, having 2, 3 or 1 double bond. Okay. Now, what is alkene? The compound which possesses carbon-carbon double bond is called as alkene. Alkene is also called as olefin. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. CnH2n. Okay. Now see the first example. 4 carbon in a chain, and the first and third carbon possess double bond. So how many total number of carbon in a straight chain? 4. So it is called as but. And the position of double bond? 1 and 3. 2 double bond. So it is called as di. ENE, which represent the carbon-carbon double bond. So what is the name? But 1,3-di-ENE. That is 1,3-butadiene. Now see in the second structure, we have 4 carbon in a straight chain. First and third carbon possess double bond and a CH3, that is methyl group attached to second carbon. So what is the name? 2-methyl or 2-methyl but 1,3-di-ENE. See the third example. Again same, 4 carbon in a straight chain. First and third carbon possess double bond and the two substituent, two prefixes present on a straight chain of methyl. Okay. Now we can numbering from any side. Both numbering are given. So name is 2,3-dimethyl 1,3-butadiene, or we can write 2,3-dimethyl but 1,3-di-ENE. See the fourth example. In this example, we have 5 carbon in a straight chain. Okay, and two substituent present at the second and fourth carbon, and double bond is present on a first and fourth carbon. So 2 substituent is of CH3 methyl group. So it is called as 2,4-dimethyl. Why dimethyl? Di means 2. 2 methyl group are in a substituent position. So 2,4-dimethyl. 5 carbon, that's why pent. The position of double bond 1 and 4. And 2 double bonds. So it is called as di-ENE. So what is the name? 2,4-dimethyl pent 1,4-di-ENE. In the fifth example, see, in this case, the double bond is present at the downward side. So, if we numbered from bottom, because in the nomenclature system, we have to number the number the carbon means lower carbon, lower numbering carbon from double bonded position. So 1, 2, 3. If we move to the left side 4, 5, from 3 to right side 4, 5, 6. So long chain is of 6 carbon, and third position possesses CH2 CH3 substituent, which is called as ethyl, which is on third position. So it is called as 3 ethyl hex 1 ENE. Okay, 3 ethyl hexene. See the next example. In the sixth example, see, we have 6 carbon in a straight chain. Numbering we can give from any side. Both positions are same. Second and fourth carbon possess double bond, and the third and fourth carbon possess a methyl group in a prefix or substituent. So what is the name? 3, 4 dimethyl. 6 carbon, so hex. Double bonded position 2, 4. 2 double bonds, so that's why di-ENE. So what is the nomenclature? 3, 4 dimethyl hex 2, 4 di-ENE, or we can say 3, 4 dimethyl 2, 4 hexadiene. Okay, see the next example. See in this example we have, see the numbering. numbering are given from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 up. In this case, we can count from any side. The double bond is present on a third carbon. So with that, we also observe the position of substituent. See, on second carbon, we have two substituent, two methyl group. In this example, the substituent is shown by a circle. Means I just mark the circle to identify the substituent, and remaining is the long chain. So in this case, 2, 2 and 4. These three methyl group and ethyl group is present on third carbon. So it is 3 ethyl, 2, 2, 4 trimethyl, long chain possesses 6 carbons, so that's why Higgs 3ene. So what is the nomenclature system? 3 ethyl 224 trimethyl Higgs 3ene. ओके, नॉमेनक्लेचर बघा काय काय येणार त्याचं. 3 ethyl 224 trimethyl Higgs 3ene. Okay, then if we have in the next example, see the example number 8. You must draw all the examples and give the nomenclature. In this case, suppose we have 7 carbon in a straight chain, so we can numbering from any side. But see, if we numbering from left side, the second double bond is on third carbon, and if we numbering from the right side, sorry, just change. If we numbering from left side, then the double bond is 1 and fourth carbon, and if we numbering from right side, then first and third. So here the numbering is given from the right side. Okay, so in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon, so it is called as hept. 1, 3 and 6, 3 position, 1, 3 and 6, 3 position double bond is present. So double bond, so it is called as tri ene. So what is the name? Hep 136 tri ene, or we can call 136 hep tri ene. See the next example again. See, if we numbering 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 carbon long chain, but sixth carbon double bond is present at the left side. So we select this long chain of 7 carbon. Okay, and the CH2 CH3 ethyl group is considered as the prefix or substituent. So what is the name? 6 ethyl 7 carbon hept 136 triene. So what is the nomenclature or efficient nomenclature? 6 ethyl hept 136 triene. Next 10th example. See, numbering from left side. In a chain, 6 carbon are present in a straight chain, and they possess 2 double bond at the first and fourth position, and 3 methyl groups CH3 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 on 2, 3 and 5 position. So according to IPC nomenclature system, 2, 3, 5 trimethyl 6 carbon Higgs 1,4 di-ene, or we can call 2,3,5 trimethyl 1,4 hexadiene. In the 11th structure, see 6 carbon in a straight chain, second and fourth carbon possess double bond, and 4 methyl group are present at a substituent position or prefixes. Okay, so in this nomenclature, what is 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 means tetra. 2, 3, 4, 5 tetra methyl. Okay. Straight chain 6 carbon, so called as Higgs 2,4 diene. Okay, are you getting the point? 2, 3, 4, 5 tetramethyl Higgs 2,4 diene. See, this is the simplest way of nomenclature. We use the multiple examples, and from the example we are going to perfect our nomenclature. Just try the same, draw the same structure and repeated it. you will get the perfection. See, in the above example, 12 example, we have 5 carbon in a straight chain and 2 ethyl CH2 CH3 means C2H5, that is the ethyl group present on a second and third position. If we sorry, if we consider 5 carbon, if we consider the long chain, we get the 6 carbon chain is a longer, but in a 5 carbon chain we have 2 double bonded positions, so that's why we use that long chain. And the ethyl group are placed in a prefixes, so second third position ethyl group, so it is called as 2,3 diethyl, 5 carbon in a straight chain, so pent. The double bonded position 1 and 3, so 1 3 diene. So what is the position? 2 comma 3 diethyl pent, 1 comma 3 diene. Next, 13 number example. See, complicated structure. 1 2 3 4 5. This is considered as a long chain, or we can select the downward long chain. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. 5 carbon in straight chain and first position possesses double bond. So name word root is the parent name is pent 1 ene or 1 pentene, and two prefixes are present, two branching are present, that is 3 ethyl 3 methyl. So what is the nomenclature? 3 ethyl 3 methyl 1 pentene. See the 14 number example. Oh, it is more complicated. Just try to find out the longest chain. Numbering 1, 2, 3, upside 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, downside 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 carbon is a long chain. So that's why there is a 2 ethyl group present on a third position. What is ethyl? C2H5 or CH2CH3. So what is the nomenclature? 3,3 diethyl 1 hexene or 3,3 diethyl hex 1 ene. Okay, 15 structure. See, again, if we consider the long chain, it will be the of 6 carbon, or sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 carbon. But by considering the functional group double bond, we use the central long chain 1 2 3 4 4 carbon, and the 3 carbon group in a prefixes. If 3 carbon group present in a prefix, so it is called as propyl, PROPYL, which is present on which carbons? Second and third. So they are called as 2 comma 3 dipropyl, 2 comma 3 dipropyl, 1 comma 3 but di ene, 2 3 dipropyl, 1 3 butadiene. Okay, got it? Next, 16 example, we have 5 carbon in a straight chain and third carbon possesses C2H5CH3, that is the ethyl group. So what is the nomenclature? 3 ethyl pent 1 ene. It is very simple. See the next. In this, we can use any means in a long chain we can got 7 carbon. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the fourth carbon possesses CH2 CH2 CH3, that is C3H7, which is considered as propyl group. So easily nomenclature 4 propyl hept 1 ene, 4 propyl heptene. The fourth position not necessary to write, we can write or not write, no problem. See the 18 structure. See, 7 carbon in a straight chain. First carbon possesses double bond, so definitely it is hept 1 ene or heptene. See, on the fourth position, see in these two structures, above fourth position, 3 carbon in a straight chain. In the 17 structure, in a branching, in prefixes, 3 carbon in a straight chain. But here, 3 carbon are not in a straight chain. It is in branching. So according to common name, it is called as isopropyl. Okay. In the subchain, if we are going to numbering, then the numbering are given like 1, 2. First position la methyl attaches, so it is also called as methyl ethyl. Are you getting that 3 carbon is in a branching, so it is called as isopropyl, or we can call it is methyl ethyl. So what is the nomenclature? 4 isopropyl hept 1 ene or heptene, or 4 methyl ethyl, 4 methyl ethyl, hept 1 ENE. Okay, we can give any nomenclature, but the second nomenclature is more perfect. See the 19 structure again, slightly complicated. See 7 carbon in a straight chain and first position possesses double bond. So no doubt it is hept 1 ENE heptene. See on a fourth position we have 4 carbon in a branching, 3 carbon in a straight and 1 carbon is in a branching, that is the CH3 CH CH2 CH3. The fourth carbon attached to a carbon, that is the secondary carbon, so it is called as secondary butyl. Okay, or मिथिल प्रोपिल. सी फर्स्ट फोर्थ कार्बनला जे 3 कार्बन अटॅच आहे ना ते जर स्ट्रेट चेन मध्ये असेल तर आपण त्याला प्रोपिल म्हणणार. आणि त्या CH ला जो CH3 अटॅच आहे दॅट इज द 1 मिथिल प्रोपिल. ओके, सो इट इज द नॉमेनक्लेचर 4 इन ब्रॅकेट मिथिल प्रोपिल, मिथिलचा 1 प्रोपिल 3, 4 कार्बन हेप्ट 1 ENE or heptene. Now see again the last, it is very complicated structure. See 7 carbon in a straight chain. First carbon possess double bond, so hept 1 ENE or heptene. At the fourth position 4 carbon attach but in a tertiary form. So according to common name it is called as 4 tertiary butyl heptene. But if we consider the long chain formula, fourth carbon possess 4 carbon and by counting that C possess 1 number and any CH3 possess second number and they behave as a ethyl and remaining 2 methyl called as dimethyl ethyl. Dimethyl 2 carbon, ethyl 2 carbon, total 4 carbon. So what is the nomenclature name? 4 dimethyl ethyl hept 1 ENE. Okay, these are the some nomenclature example of the alkene. In the next videos we will continue with the nomenclature of alkyne as well as what is primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary carbon as well as n iso neo tertiary, all about these things. Okay, now draw all the structures, try to write down their nomenclature. If any doubt we will be discussed soon. Okay, thank you.